Right, tonight we're in Bury. These yellow lights are supposed to flash. They're the pedestrian crossing lights. That one there, however, is receiving the signal and directly behind it on the building, completely unconnected. See? Completely unconnected. Then over there, we've got a third one in Colorado's. See it? And then just to the right, you've got one there. Atherton House. Athenium House, sorry. And then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got 2 more. One there, right where I'm stood. These are supposed to be solid. That one's broken, that one's broken, that one's malfunctioning, and they're supposed to be solid like that. So that's 6.